Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use multi-page in Affinity. So if you're about to create a design and you want to use multiple pages, let me go ahead and start a new design right here, create a new, and let's say we want to choose a new page, right? And if you would like to start with multiple pages, you can easily do that. It's called multi-page. So what you want to do, just choose a size or create a size of your own. I'm going to just work with the first one right here, and let's say I want to use in portrait. As you can see, yours may be in the landscape order, but let's say I want it in portrait. I can select A3, and if I want to use 2 A3 for my design, I can go ahead and look towards the right hand side, and here you will find multi-page. You toggle that on and you can choose whether you want to use vertical or horizontal. Let's work with that as is, and let's put the page to the right, and all you have to do is just go ahead and choose like a +1 or a +2. It's really up to you. So let's say number of pages, I want 2. Click the up, or you can type it in manually, and then just go ahead and click on create document. Once you do that, you will see that your document starts. So here you can see that it starts with 2, and here you have 1 page, 2 page, and that's how easy it is. And you can go ahead and you can do as much as you want. So this is how you can do it, especially if you're going to create like whatever document that requires pages. Could be document or whatever it is. You need multiple pages, you can go ahead and you can do that. And that's it, guys. That's how you can start with multi-page designs in Affinity.